Welcome back to the PLG123. Today we're talking about the top products of 2021. Let's dive in. Happy New Year to everybody. Today we're going to walk through some of Product Hunt's most upvoted products of 2021. They recently published their top 25 list, and these are my 3 favorites. First up is Scribe, which rang in at the 13th most upvoted product in 2021. Scribe lets you automatically create step-by-step, detailed guides with screenshots for any process. If you need to show somebody how to do something on a computer, anything on a computer, just click through the flow like you normally do, and Scribe magically documents each step of the process in the background, which in turn brings you leverage to provide one-to-many help for any use case under the sun. Next up, we have Podcastle, which was the 10th most popular product last year. Podcastle is an AI-powered audio platform to create professional-grade podcasts with ease. It's basically a full-featured podcast recording and editing studio in one. The best part is the revoice text-based editing feature where you edit the text transcript and the right corresponding cuts are made to the audio tracks behind it. Finally, a platform that's purpose-built for podcast creators that cuts out the grunt work. And saving the best for last, we have Sprig, which was the #1 most popular product of 2021. We've actually covered Sprig on the PLG123 before, back when it was called UserLeap. Sprig is a product research platform that lets you run micro-surveys within your product, record user interviews, and test design concepts. In other words, it's everything you need for product and user research, all in a single integrated platform. So congrats to Scribe, Podcastle, Sprig, and all of the other top products from 2021. Well, that does it for today on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for more VC perspectives on today's top stories.